O to the air with cooled. If you like to experiment with a different color but don't want to make a long term research chemical, there are some home remedies that trick. The article will show you to the your with such remedy, cooled drink mix pod. The color will last a couple of days on your hair on jet damaged by harsh chemical even used in temporary. Put on glove to prevent staining. If you don't want to wear glove, behavar your skin mastin, but you can still remove the cooled from it. Vrat person was your dien into ls or a garbage bag with a clip to keep it in place, to avoid the stain. Remember ta cooled quand stain fabric, so usant all toel or cloth. Add the cooled package to a small ball. Be surtout use ten so etene version, to avoid creating sticky air. Moreover, don't use artificial so etene qu'un, at chemical might irritate your eye. You may need to use more package than recommended, depending on the length of your hair, and how deep you want color. Suggestion for suitable cooled matched to hair shade change hair. Tropical punchy gray for a bright red. Cherry work for a deep red. Black cherry mixed with strawberry work for a bright red. Mixing strawberry and grape can make a purplish red. Experiment with variation of your favorite cooled color to get more unique color. Add a few drop of conditioner and some hot water to help the color from the cooled permeate the more evenly. Adding conditioner help to make a paste, which is easy to handle. Mixed 3-6 package of cooled, the water, and the conditioner to jeter, until the ingredient form a smooth paste. Keep mixing out alt lamp en liquid area. Work the cooled paste into the air, starting near the road. It par you definitely need help for if you're dien your owner. Continue adding the cooled paste don't middle of the air. Work the cooled paste into the tip. All of your hair must be very dense sticky, otherwise the pod will just wash out, with coloring your hair. Pub section offerte en sur taille color te loyer offerte au. Vrat erin sevra le long strip of sandwich vraor, put on achoe capital. You lave tous le pinit, so do a go job. This step important no just to protect your pio anchi, because it will trap moisture in, allowing for a deep color change. It would be a good idea to fry your pio in an hot oil in case the sandwich vra move around while sleeping. You can secure the plastic vra carefully with a tap. After a good night sleep, remove the plastic vra. Don't this might be the gruesome color on your skin everything wash off. So to remove cooled from skin if you have skin stain. Thoroughly rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Do no shampoo. If you use shampoo, the color will wash straight out. Apply conditioner if wished, then rinse again. Then comb your hair out and wait for it to dry. The final tint will be less obvious with water. Rock your new cooled colored hair. Darker hair will change the tint of the hair color, bullet hair can be dramatically changed. You may need to experiment with the affecting to get the balance right for your hair color moins justement beta the darker your natural hair, the less obvious effect will be. If you're doing type highlight, use highlighting ou en vrat du section in aluminum foil. Complete to solid, or a mani highlight a you with foil wrapping, antenne pentamup. En sur tate foil de no comme off. Follow above instruction in wrapping your hair in clear vra for an entire night, en rince a explain above the next day. Remember, the no a permanent RD. Add a packet of cooled color of your choice to water, depending on the shade you want. Bring the water to boil. Remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Let it cool. Then pull pas cher, si back, and dip your hair in, let them see in for different timing depending on how dramatic you want the color, how dark your hair is, and how long you want it to stay in. When you are finished dip your hair, rinse out with cold water. Dono wash with shampoo. If the color de no show up with your water, dono worry. The color is no visible with water and dryer. After rinsing your hair, blow dry it until dry. In a pot, boil some water, around de 5 cups. After the water are reached boiling. Pour it into a heat proof. Wait 3-5 minutes for it to cool off. Add for a cool packet, 2 packet for blonde, 3 for brunette. Stir it in. Par your hair in 2 sections. Puis one section on a shoulder. Dip temps of your hair into the bowl. Let it sit for 15-30 minutes, depending on how strong you want the color and how long you want it to last. Have a magazine or book to read while you're incapacitated of it ball. Or listen to music, a podcast or an audiobook. After letting your hair see in the ball, take a towel and dry it a little. Then wash your hair with cold water and conditionné is optional, you will see some cooled start to drip off while washing beauty is normal. Dry your hair. You're not ready to rock the nude.